Hello everyone and welcome to day 44. Here we are. There's a whole heap of mess going on, but the keen-eyed among you will notice it's First Fix Electrics at last. Okay, so what are we doing? First thing to note, trunking here. So I've got this trunking in. This is pseudo fixed to the insulation and screwed into the wood. She ain't going nowhere. And what that is for is to allow me to pass cables up through the wall. So my two computers are going to live here, and then the cables for the screen and for the TV above. Oh, sorry, there's three screens which live on that custom rig that I've put outside for now, which screws over here. Those will mount here, and there'll be a brush plate on the front of these three spots, and then that will give me the perfect way to pass cables up and down through the wall once it's plasterboarded. So that will look really nice. There'll just be some brushes here. If you've never seen a brush plate, could always just get one out. It looks like that, with brushes in the middle, like that, like a so. So that will live there. I've already cut out rather horribly some back boxes for those, so I'll live there. Still need to put a pattress in here to carry the plasterboard once it's got holes in it. And yes, so the only other thing I haven't talked about is the electrics. So, and the plasterboard carriers. This is called a California corner if you actually have a complete piece, but I've just put in random offcuts. Yeah, I've missed some bits, doesn't matter, they're just junk anyway. So all the corners will have wood behind them so that I can carry the plasterboard. Electrics looks crazy at the minute, but let's start with the simplest circuit. Outside light. We know it's the outside light. Outside it's the only thing. It's all sealed in. Has gone off now. Sticky. Oh god, it is sunsetting, hence getting a video now. That light just passes straight through into here, and I've given myself lots and lots and lots of slack. Inside lights, I got lots and lots and lots and lots of slack. Why? This is lots and lots. Because in my infinite wisdom, I've decided to put an plug on it. Why would I put a plug on it? Because while I'm working out here, before my electrician uncle has had a chance to come and sign it off and do the final hookup to the fuse box, the fuse box being in there, the consumer unit that is, that will go there. Until he's come, I can at least run the lights off of a fused socket. So hence all of this ludicrous extra cable here that is to carry the light power, so I can just stick them in. So I will second fix the lights before I finish anything else, and I'll need to do that tonight if I'm going to continue working. So jumping the gun though, the lights are both as we can see on the side of this, 1.5 by plus a 1.5. So all that means is there's 1.5 mil twin and earth in those cables. So you've got a positive, positive, neutral, or live, neutral, and earth, right? Same in this, except this is 2.5 mil. So it's a ticker, which means it can handle way more amps for both the heater and the sockets. Will run on 2.5 mil. So we've got a line here for the heater, just a load of excess, just to give wiggle room when wiring up the box, so you've got lots of play. That runs down here. and it follows this other lighter, this other darker line. That's the inside lights. So those two, the heater and the lights, run all the way along here. This is the standard socket height, 45mm. There's going to be a socket there, but I've not put in the socket cable yet. I've just started unwinding it, which is what I'm doing there and what all this extra cable is. And then we get to here. We'll find out about that one next time. Cheers.